I'm behind bars, guys. So, what's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, welcome, guys. This is Mombasa over here, and it's one of the coastal areas in Kenya, and it's one of the beautiful, actually. I'm in an Airbnb over here. CJ's and mean how is Airbnb. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. I would appreciate your love and support. On today's video is a super special video, guys. I'm actually, as you see, usually say when things will be alright when mom or when dad is back home, as a man, as a head of the family. Oh no, actually, this is gonna say, guys, today is a day where I just came and arrived in we can say on this other end of the coastal part of Kenya, Mombasa, on this other end called Bamburi. Of course, for those who doesn't know that Kenya has a coastal part, it's one of the countries that have best coastal beaches. Is it coastal beaches of this other end? Please, guys, let's put that aside. Today's video, it's another special video. Actually, I'm going to give you a double surprise. I'm on this other end. As I told you, I'm a businessman, or we are businessman. As a businessman, as a CEO of CJ and Min Howie, and I'm not the CEOs, we can't say so. Alright, guys, we are here and we are expanding business, me and Min Howie. We say me and my business partner. Most people doesn't want to hear about business partner, and I've seen a lot of comments, positive comments, some criticizing Claude, some saying, oh, it's enough, it's good, and it's good. It's friends who keep you moving around. And guys, I've remembered something. I'm in this area over here, I'm this other side, which I want to take you inside. I've noticed today we're going shopping with my partner, with my business partner. We want to go for benchmarking and buy some stuffs like maybe chairs for our new Airbnb around here, some bed covers, some mattress covers, some pillows, some other stuff, like adding, you know. When we are two and we give some, you say one idea and another idea, we come up with a great idea. And also, guys, I'm planning actually to take her for a date. You know me as CJ, I've never done this thing. I'm born and raised in the village. It's only that the world is changing me sometimes when I travel outside, and also sometimes when I watch the movies and see how other people are just pampering out their lives, their friends, their business partners, and I'm like, oh man. So this is the good way to keep a friend who is a business partner, or who is, guys, actually, I'm telling you, there's a feelings for me to this lady. But sometimes, man, me, I feel like people are making me this, but no matter what, I don't know what people will say about it, I feel so low. But actually, guys, I'm planning to take her for a date. I've never taken somebody for a date. I don't know what date is, but I saw some comments, please take her for a date, take her for this, and I was like, wow, I'll just plan for this. She has no idea about what is going on about the date, so I'll just tell her, put on your best, your Sunday best, and we go. I don't know if I'll put on this way. Don't mind about other stuffs around here, guys. We are actually trying to change some stuffs in this house. As I told you, how stuffs might be around. And please, guys, comment down below. You can reach me out on WhatsApp. There's a description at the description point. There's a WhatsApp number there. Give me some secrets how you take a lady for a date. You know, how can you, like, squeezing a chair for her while she's sitting down, maybe buying her flowers. Do you buy flowers for a girl when she's dating? Guys, don't mind. This is Mombasa. You have to have you sweating. You know, you talk as you sweat because this is Mombasa. The sun outside is too hot. I'm even sweating because my mind is running so fast, like, how am I going to take her for a date? You know, this is one of the most disappointments where she was like, you know, I'm trying to bring her to her real senses, you know, since this disappointment of Jamaica. Actually, sometimes she sits down, we are talking with her, until sometimes you feel like, you know, have you ever talked with somebody, you think like you're talking to someone, but already she has slept, you know? You talk with her even during the day, you find her battery low, and I'm like, am I talking to a radio? Because it's only somebody you talk to him and you find like already she or he has closed eyes. You feel like, wake up, am I supposed to change the batteries? So I want to change her mind to go back to normal Minhawi. where like maybe taking her to nice places until she forgets that norm of the disappointment what she went through, the harassment at the airport, and something such a thing like that. Guys, when love speaks, I don't know, maybe one day she will say nice, me. For sure, guys, for sure. Yeah, you don't want to lie. Sometimes things go on in this other end. But let's put that aside, guys. Please comment down below how do you take somebody on a date. Comment down below what are the necessary things: putting on nicely, shaving, flowers, nice place. It's like a honeymoon or not a honeymoon. Let's wait for that. Let me introduce you inside here. I'm having an in-law. Maybe I don't know it's an in-law or what, because a business in-law. Let me go in and see. Okay, see you inside. So guys, this is the inside kitchen. If you pay a visit in Mombasa and you're like, oh man, I'm stuck, I don't know where I'll stay, reach out through Claude Joseph or Minhawi. The numbers are just below the description point. At Minhawi on Instagram, and also Claude Joseph official on also or Instagram. If you wanna stay, you have a staycation. I'm sorry we haven't yet posted them on online, maybe putting some links for the book, but we are really struggling for it. So this is the kitchen over here. We bought some fruits for us for for a few days around here, water. We have a nice cooking area, some food stocks around here. We were really trying to stock everything around so that we can have some few things. We have a lot of food inside here. Sometimes also another thing inside here, when I'm around, when Minhawi is around, CJ cannot go hungry. So that's what you see inside. And also we have clean running water, some utensils. So we are going to change some stuffs. We might buy some new stuffs, as it's changing. As a man has noticed, like there's this going on around, as that other stuff's going on around. It's an idea. So let's see outside here. And I'll start from Minhawi. Hey, introduce for me first. Is he also a business partner? Or a business in-law partner? Hey guys, me I don't know actually.
Yeah, that is my brother.
Oh, your brother?
Yes.
Oh man, how are you? I used to see him on videos when I was very far away in Malaysia, and you with Paris, we were having a car with Mokia also going down. Ah man, welcome to the business. Now you're an in-law, your business in-law.
Hopefully.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Introduce yourself, mister.
Hi guys, this is Arnold, and I'm Minhawi's brother.
Yes.
I'm hoping he'll make a good in-law. But then I'm here to vet you.
Oh, thank you so much. You said in-law.
Huh?
No, she always says that she always, the thing is, sometimes I just go around here, I beat around the bush, tell me no. Now today you have clarified it.
No, I've just forgotten maybe one business on top, in bracket.
in the bracket, guys, in quotes. Clarify this, is it in quotes? Okay guys, you have a YouTube channel, right?
Yes, I have a YouTube channel.
Yes.
Guys, kindly subscribe to @ArnoldBosire.
Yes.
And let's hit the roll going. So subscribe to my channel.
Yes.
And Minhawi's.
Yes.
So to
Claude Joseph.
Joseph's too.
Thank
Thank you so much.
Now sometimes I've seen this. Is this another way around, guys? Now she has started introducing me to the family.
How you guys come to introduce yourself to me?
Am I the one to say welcome, or you don't tell me welcome?
I should welcome you.
Oh.
As you also welcome me.
Hey guys, please subscribe to Arnold Bosire's channel. Actually, he's on the road to 1K subscribers, guys. Please. There's a hot seat coming. I was like sleeping and is Minhawi putting on a hot seat? It's coming.
Yeah.
Let me go back to the business partner. I told her actually we can make business kids. She said no. I told her we can create business partner kids. She said no. Hey, what's up?
What's up?
How are you?
I'm okay.
The boss lady.
Boom.
You look Valentine, and already Valentine passed away.
It's Valentine season. It's resting season.
But by the way, guys.
You didn't even. What happened on Valentine's?
But I was not around. You were Valentine in the village there. I saw you going to Tanzania and anything
With
stuff.
Mr. Junior,
With
with my
Mr.
Valentine
Junior.
that day.
Now you have put on Valentine.
Yeah.
I remembered. Instead of what I'm planning to do, maybe I should include it in there. Introduce yourself.
Guys, my name is Minhawi. Kindly check me out. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Road to 10,000 subscribers very soon. I'm hoping that very soon I'll be at 10,000 subscribers. So subscribe to my channel. Watch my videos to the end. Don't remember not to skip the ads. Most importantly, yes, we are in Mombasa on a vacation. He brought me on a vacation, guys. So
Absolutely.
I'm having the best
I
time.
should even sit down. You know, now when we sit down this way and sometimes
Yeah.
things go on the other side.
So yeah, I'm on a vacation. So
Yes.
let's hit the road, guys. Subscribe.
So today, guys, is another way around here, as I told you earlier. Please comment down below. I don't want her to know now. It will be a surprise for it. Even
You have a surprise for me?
relax.
Yo.
Relax. We are here.
We are here.
We are here.
Okay.
Let's see what's going on
What's
around.
cooking, guys?
So today, the main theme is like I'm gonna go out because you see our Airbnb around here, how stuffs are around. I've noticed for the few things that are missing in here. So we wanna go out. We can change even the seats.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we can change the seats. We can buy maybe some other tables, maybe business. Is it business table? Or,
No, coffee tables.
oh, yeah, coffee tables, and also we can buy some new things around here. But guys, before that, rate our Airbnb around here.
Before and after.
Yeah, before and after. So, but for now, we are going in town. We wanna buy what is
Actually,
having in our pocket.
we should go in the shop.
Yeah, we're gonna go in the window shop.
How do we buy?
We can buy some, which
Oh,
we
okay.
can,
Are
and
you do you have the finances?
don't worry, God
Okay.
will provide.
God.
Yeah, sometimes
Okay.
don't worry, when a man is around you,
Uh-huh.
don't ask.
Okay.
You have to say I want.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
I want this. I
Thank
want
you.
this.
Oh my God, you are in trouble.
Guys, now this is another secret of enticing a lady. I don't know if she will say yes or no. Just say yes.
I want.
You want a car?
I want.
Okay, let's go and see what will
Yeah.
happen. Alright, guys, watch this episode. Are you so much happy now?
I'm very happy.
You good?
I'm feeling relaxed.
Sometimes I want
With
to
you
see
here,
you.
my brother here, like I
Absolutely.
feel so nice. It's fun. Like at least now we can make stories, we
Yes.
can joke. My brother's a YouTuber too, guys. His
Absolutely.
name is Arnold
Arnold
Bosire.
Bosire.
Kindly check him out. We want us all of us to grow together in unison. Okay, and I'm very happy. Thank you so much for choosing to bring me down here.
Eh,
Yeah.
man.
And your
You know,
company.
did you understand what was happening, bruv?
Where?
Did he
Here.
even call you? Did she even call you?
When was that? Today?
No, the other days when she was flying to Jamaica.
She did.
Ah, yeah. Maybe now I'm telling you, I'm the family. If she never called you, she was undergoing some.
I was there giving her the moral support.
She was going into a deeper thing now.
Yeah.
Thank God we are here. We will just explain to you right.
Mm.
Now things will happen
No,
nicely.
I think he knows.
He knows,
Yeah,
right?
got the ticketing getting.
I
Yeah.
know, she briefed me.
Oh, she briefed
I
you.
said she did.
Yeah.
But
So
now
she did brief me.
she is now here.
Yeah.
Now you
So
can
I'm
see
here to
she
recover from the shock.
from the shock. Now you know now where I'm here.
Mm.
Things will move on well.
Things will be okay.
Yeah, so we are here and brother will help me actually.
My brother is one of, but then my brother is one of the best people.
Mhm.
Honestly,
Yes.
he's a very supportive guy, very friendly guy, very cooperative guy.
Yeah.
He's one of the best people. I can tell you for that.
Those are tokens.
Those are
Yeah.
No, but actually he's a cool guy,
He's
I
a
can
cool
say.
guy.
Very, very cool guy.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I hope you guys will get along well.
Are you excited to meet Claude over here? Very, very nice. Well, if you, I know you used to
No,
hear
when I,
about
came, when I
Claude.
came in, you looked scared, kinda.
Me? No way. Yeah. You know, sometimes I'm this guy who is like, eh.
Maybe
You know,
she hadn't briefed
before, you know me, my first impression is like I have to study who's this guy first. And you know, this is the first time I'm meeting you.
What were your expectations?
My expectation was like to see a guy bigger, like, you
Of
know.
course I'm big.
No, you can just tell. I wanted you to be maybe
look
bigger
alike.
than. Yeah, you look alike.
We look alike.
Not alike. You are a lady.
Like as a brother, we look like siblings. That's
Yeah, you look like you look siblings, not like siblings.
Okay.
So I was expecting you to look more bigger than me in Harvey, like in terms of
Maybe the
body
bigger
wise.
one is coming.
No, the body wise, in terms of body wise. But I was like, okay, let me just wait and see what's going on here. All I may played. Sometimes I can be a bit deed. And I was like, oh my god, emoji. Well, it's a terror attack. I was like, okay, let me wait. It is what it is. But I just felt okay, and I'm so much comfortable. I'm conversing with my brother-in-law partner.
Business partner.
Business partner.
Oh, business partner,
in a matter
brother.
of time, you'll also get to know all that.
Okay. It's a matter of time, guys. So even me, I'm given. You say I'm given time. So the more I'm given time, the more also I'm giving you time, guys, to comment down below. Help me.
It doesn't come that easy.
It doesn't come that easy.
Yeah,
So you should have to keep on
you have to hit the road.
the
And
consistency.
convince us why you partner, not others.
That is a story for another day. Let's, guys, a hot seat is coming. Let's wait and see. Will they say yes or no?
Yeah.
But today is all about the changing of the house, and we can see what's going on around here. Thank you so much, guys. Let's see you in town, and also subscribe to Arnold Bosire, and also Min Howie over here.
Yeah.
And let's see you outside, and we see what's going on around. See you. Guys, it's very hot here in Mombasa now, and it's very sunny. And actually, I usually tell you this is the best time to visit Mombasa, actually, when it's so sunny, when it's summertime, because this is the time now you can go to the beach. There's a lot to be seen here, there's a lot to be shown. So I'll be literally showing you what's supposed to be shown around here. And some days we want to go to the beach. Are you ready to swim in the beach?
Not swimming, but going to the beach. Yes.
Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Bring some madafu.
Yeah, madafu all the way. Oh my God.
You prepared yourself with the sun hat.
Just what I need is sunscreen.
The sunscreen.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's very hot.
Are you happy to be in Mombasa?
Of course, I'm happy to be in Mombasa. Very much.
Are you happy cruising with Claude?
Of course, cruising with the cloud is vibe.
It's a vibe.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's go there and see what's going on around on the other side.
And
As
you
you
know
have
how
promised.
it's
It's very sunny today. It's very hot.
I like it.
Thank God I'm with this now. You know, this is like sieve. It's a sieve here, so you just maneuver around the way it is.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, see you there. Guys, one thing I like about Mombasa is you literally see it this way rather than other countries. You know, in Mombasa it's very hot, but on another way is you still see people outside doing their own stuffs, maybe chilling outside.
That's true.
That's true. Like it's real vibe. But on the other end, on other countries, guys, like when I was in Malaysia, guys, it's like when it's hot this way, you'll never see anybody out until the late evening times at night when the sun has really gone down. But here the sun is actually right on top of the head, but you can see people maneuvering around, chilling, sitting down. Or is it because of the sun of Africa?
We are used to it.
Alright, guys, let's try and see what's going on around. Hey. This is Kenyan music, so by Kenyan matatu, they have just crazy music around. How to dance and see what's going on. You might find yourself tracking in a matatu in Kenya. Hey, Min Howie. Are you okay, bro? I'm telling you, in Kenya, hey, it's happy to be home, man. The vibe is different.
The vibe is different.
We are literally using this kind of cars to travel around where we were, and I'm here with Min Howie. Hey, Min Howie, you are glowing, my dear. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. Mombasa
You good?
is hot.
Mombasa is very hot.
It normally makes people to glow.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Maybe also I'll change my skin color. How are you, man? You fine?
Suffering from the
From the intensive heat.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what we can see.
Yeah.
I think this is the favorite time to visit Mombasa. What do you think? For those who maybe have winter on their
so that
sides,
they can tell the story.
they can tell the story. Okay, guys, let's just benchmark. We see what we can have around here. We want to see her reaction. I think this is the best color.
Okay, brighter one a bit.
It's the brighter one. Guys, let us know in the comment section. Sometimes they have springs. I think I'm the best a little bit. But let's go inside. We see what we can have.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is it nice?
You know the other ones are.
I-
Hizi tu gani? Vivi tu mnavyo. Hizi Yeah.
No, like hizi ndio variety uko nazo.
Kuna zingine.
But this was so nice. Easy and soft. Oh my god.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Let's try and see what's on the other side. Alright guys, we arrived in this area, and actually I just did what we did around here, so the surprise will come soon. And why are you laughing?
He's standing there for a shout out.
He's standing there?
He's standing like, market my place.
Okay.
I want to market your place for you.
Okay.
Yes.
Which place are we now? Right here.
Wait, what's the name of Amani Furnitures?
Oh, Amani Furnitures.
Kisimani.
Oh, Kisimani.
It's not Furnitures.
Kisimani.
Amani Furnitures.
Okay, Amani Furnitures.
So,
Introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself.
My name is John Ouko.
John Ouko.
Yeah, we are dealing with furnitures here,
Yes.
comfortable bed, chairs.
Mhm.
We are next to Naivas supermarket
Okay.
and Mass petrol station
Oh.
on your way to town
Yes.
or to Naivas to Kenon.
Canon.
Yeah.
And guys, I came to realize that the same furnitures that you see in the big malls or in the big supermarkets, they are being made with the same people from here. And but when they go into the big malls, the price becomes double. So it's better to come from the source rather than going to the consumer direct.
Yeah.
So we decided to come to this area, and so that we can create what we want in our own design that will be more comfortable for you guys when you pay a visit. You can just try to see about these beds. This is a bed, right?
Yeah, this is a bed.
Okay, this is a bed over here.
This one.
So okay, like this one. And also we have another one over here. Wow, looks so nice. So let me know in the comment section, guys, how much can it worth for this in terms of dollars, all from your place to the other side. So you create different types of
the designs.
okay.
And this one's
Okay, this one's over here. Oh, how many years have you been in this work?
now 7 years.
Now 7 years.
Yeah.
Wow, so you have a very nice experience about this.
Very
A
nice.
very digital one.
Yeah.
I'm surprised those days back we used to sleep in only this one, like, you know, they make some
But people are catching on with the new technology.
okay, it's new technology.
Yeah.
That's why you can make different designs.
Yeah.
Like these guys, you see, actually it's very nice, like it's golden, other stuffs. And it's not only this, we also have a blue one over here, like in a different color. We have also blue. We have another one here, is it gray? We have black over here, as you see around here.
For babies also.
Oh,
there.
for babies here. Also we have another one here for babies. It's very nice, and it's really great.
I'm also looking for coffee.
You're also
I'm
looking
also looking for coffee.
also you can create coffee.
Yeah, we make coffee.
But now coffee is not for us for now. You want to keep money in a coffee.
No, I want to start my early preparation.
No, don't say that.
do it for you.
He's just kidding, guys, around
So
here.
this is your place, huh?
Huku ni jirani.
Oh, that's a jirani.
Nice.
Are you happy around?
I'm happy. Thank you so much for promoting me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So soon we'll be here around.
So
So
we'll be coming for the chairs
uh-huh.
after 1 week.
After 1 week.
After 1 week, we'll be coming for
Guys,
the chairs.
after 1 week you
Yeah.
see this. The business in-law. How is everything?
I'm still waiting.
You're
I'm
still
still on the road.
Are you
Waiting for the outcome.
Yeah.
waiting for the outcome?
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this guy is the one who made. Actually, decided to bring CJ here because he's the one who made my bed, and I know you guys how my bed looks. So he makes the bed. So I was like, I'll give you another job. So he's going to make. As CJ has come here to surprise me with chairs.
Yes.
He's the one who's going to make our chairs.
Our chairs.
The best design, the most.
Can you show us the design? All it will be a surprise.
No, it's a surprise.
It will be a surprise for
It's a
you guys.
surprise. So
Yes.
when he makes the chairs, guys, you'll be able to see he makes the best quality stuff. And he knows me, I like nice. I
And
like
you know the reason why I did this? You know when today is Women's Day. So today I'll just surprise
Oh
you with
my
it.
God.
And a happy Women's Day to each and every mama watching this. We love you, we love you, we love you. As
Yeah.
our best over
yeah,
here.
late Valentine's.
Let's Valentine.
Late Valentine's. Yeah, so
Okay, yes.
it's Women's Day. Thank you so much for
Yes.
remembering and supporting me that way.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's go and see what we can have
Thank you
next,
so
and
much,
we'll
boss.
see
Amani.
what will be going on.
Amani Furnitures is the CEO.
The
Give us
CEO,
your number in
I
case
don't know
someone-
the managing director.
the managing director.
Yeah.
Okay, managing director. Professor.
Professor.
You
Give
the
us your
number.
number
PhD.
in case someone wants to buy.
0705
Yes. Where are you based first? So, but in case somebody wants your service.
Bombolulu.
Bombolulu,
Mhm.
between Naivas and Mass petrol station.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can give now your number, where, or maybe Instagram or any social
Okay,
media.
0705
Plus 254. it will be better.
873 209.
Okay. Start by 254. It will be better.
254
Yes.
705
Yes.
873
Yes.
209.
All right, guys.
Yeah,
It will
John.
be- John. It will be really great, guys. You wanna come here and promote him by maybe buying a bed like this, 7 by 6, 6 by 7.
And we are also less expensive.
Oh,
they're very-
affordable.
Affordable.
Wow, wow.
Usilale chini.
Usilale chini.
We are here because of you.
Very, very nice. What do you think about it?
I'm liking the furniture.
Yes.
And I'm still surprised.
You are still surprised.
I'm still surprised.
Delmo to be
Yeah?
surprised.
Yeah?
Surprising,
Don't be confused. Just get
No, I can't
surprised.
be confused. I'm
But-
still surprised.
Okay. Alright guys, let's move on to see how everything is. Follow us on YouTube by Claude Joseph. Yeah.
And
Thank you.
Howie.
And
Hey,
Min
you
Howie and
subscribe to
Arnold. Oh guys, we are in Mombasa itself right here in a place known as Ferry. Actually, this is not for the cold-blooded. I can guess so because it's very, very crazy and very, 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 very vibrant on the other end.
It's called Marikit.
It's called Marikiti area. Woo. Let's just be maneuvering on this other end as we want to be seeing what's going on around. This place is so windy on this other end because we are near the ocean. And for those who never knew, Mombasa is an island on this other end. So, okay, let's hot fry madafu over here. This is Mombasa, man. It's very hot. Hey guys, let's try this. Actually, when we are in Mombasa, we are recommended for this, guys. Hey, wow.
I'm saying, wow.
Honest true.
She has it over there. He has it.
Boko juice.
Buko.
Boko. It's Boko.
Buko juice. Moja tu I say. Leta ingine moja. So this will be for you. You want also? Leta nyingine bossa moja. Let's see what's going on around on this other end. It's closed.
It's closed.
Hold this for
open
me.
it. Recording.
Boss, it's closed, man.
No, just do the straw, like open it. You can open it.
You're recording?
Okay.
But this is one of the greatest. You enjoying having this? But this no.
Make it a record.
In a record. It's recording. He doesn't know that it's recording.
It's self-treat. Enjoy.
Oh, it's over.
I'm not enjoying that at all.
Like it?
You don't know
Am I
the
too
secret. You don't know the secret behind this. It's cool.
Give me the secret.
The secret behind this is it's like marinating your body. Like it gives you very soft.
Let me
Makes your
marinate
skin
it.
soft.
Let me marinate it with something else.
It makes your skin soft. No, me, I have bad manners. Of eating.
So guys, this is how you see. These are called madafu here, or buko juice. In other areas we call them coconache, la coconache, la nache, something like that. Let's see. You're still enjoying?
Yes, it's over.
How is it?
Yummy.
Yummy or nice? Yummy or sweet?
Yummy, yummy.
Okay, let's continue moving. And we'll see. This is Mombasa for you. What is special for Mombasa?
The heat.
The what?
The heat.
The intensive heat. What is what's so special about Mombasa?
You feel like you're in a sauna all the time. Your skin becomes better look, guys.
Mombasa is not for the cold-blooded.
Yeah, like I was giving you an example in the car.
Okay.
When you are in the village, your skin
It becomes
it becomes a bit dry and yeah. But then now you are here, you did not even apply lotion, but then it still works.
I haven't even put on.
Yeah, so-
Yeah.
That's the
It's one of the greatest area actually, as you see, and also it's so vibrant, right?
Yes.
It's very, very vibrant. It's a city for the chill.
Yeah.
If you want to chill, just relax, come to Mombasa. It's very, very cool and amazingly. But during the day, it's so amazing on this other end. And we are just maneuvering around here on this other side
Yeah.
of Mombasa with Min Howie. I'm sorry, I'll buy you a car some days. You know,
Yes,
now
please.
we are working, but we are exercising.
Yes.
And-
But it's not only me.
Or should I carry you here?
We are many.
We are many. Okay, I can see. Okay, guys, let's go around.
Yeah.
And we're heading to the shopping side. We can see later what we can shop for this.
Okay.
All right, guys. See you. Yeah, guys, this is Mombasa. It's like they have historical buildings over here, same like Penang in Malaysia. These are houses that were built in those centuries in 1935, 1940, 1920s, but still they have the stunning view on this other end, and all is painted by blue and white to symbolize the ocean or the water bodies around here, and it's very nice, very cool. I can't wait one day to come and try street foods here with you guys, and I'll be sharing with you what's going on around on these amazing streets over here.
This is the building we're going to.
Oh, inside here?
Yeah.
Nawali Center.
Nawal Center, yeah.
Oh, okay. This is Mwembe Tayari, right?
Yep.
Okay. This place is called Mwembe Tayari, guys. It's so famous of its own zone. We have to run like Nairobi.
No, not so much.
But this is not like Nairobi.
It's not. It's a bit slow.
It's a bit slow. Nairobi, you have to run, like you have to set one to mark, set, then you start moving.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything.
The fresh air now.
Yes.
Hey.
And they have like everything.
So
Nikulize.
pick what you want.
Mattress covers.
Mattress covers sina.
Kuna.
Sija bado sija. Na hizo za printed hizi ni white.
Oja tuangalie. Hey, Minhawi. First surprise gone wrong.
Surprise gone wrong.
First surprise gone wrong.
This one.
Now second, let's see what's going on around, guys. Let's relax. Even if you sleep with us over there, your neck can't go unless if you are sleeping on a stone. Yeah, let's wait and see.
It's nice. It's nice.
This one, I think it's so fluffy.
Ambassador, I think the only difference is the color.
Not the color,
No, the cover.
the cover.
Fiber pillows.
Okay.
Washable, allergic, hygienic.
Choose, we see. They always say like choose what you want.
Choose what you want.
Choose what you want.
All this.
Okay, this one over here.
What's that?
Yeah.
No, $49.
So you know this one is like because they bring it to, you know, these are the ex Japan, but they just convert it in Kenya. Yes?
$9 is not. It's 700, I think. Let me ask
$9
you.
is around 5,000, but season.
Yeah?
No, I'm saying here, I think you mean important.
This is what we call like when they are outside the country. But with us here, they're cheap because they're ex.
Third world.
Third world.
Third world prices.
Yeah, third world prices.
These are third world big prices.
Exactly, guys. Yeah. These are this here.
Like the grey one.
Another one on kitchen towel.
You can take kitchen towels too again, yeah.
We see
Also bath towels.
like any face towels.
Is it face towels?
Yeah.
White or which?
White. Whichever color.
You can have white and maybe add different colors of this.
Eh? Whichever one you want. How many are there?
Yeah, this one can be better. This can scrub even your face well. Yeah, this is the best one. 4 of them, right? Let's pick the ones which are down here, which are a little bit clean. Hey man, they're different, bro.
Okay. $270.
What are these for?
Those are kitchen napkins.
Okay.
And what about this color? You don't like this color?
For face towel?
Yeah.
Face towel.
No, white is good.
Maybe we mix two,
Mix
2.
4.
So it's
Because
4.
Sometimes you want to wash your legs.
And we check this. And maybe which color again? This one?
No, this grey one. I think this grey one looks
Grey one. This one.
Gapi?
And bill it. In short for you.
Yeah. Okay.
Zili nilikuwa natafuta the
From-
difference.
Stay remove hapo nuza hapo.
Yeah?
Stay remove toilet.
Send removal.
Stain removal.
Toilet. Ngapi sharp?
200.
200. Oh.
Oh, you also have.
Stay kabisa kwa floor.
Natoka kabisa. Hata kwa sink.
Kwa sink pia.
Haya.
Also
I think
need
that's nice.
stain removers.
The removers.
Okay, let's see. He's a good businessman.
He's a good businessman, yes.
Yeah, let's wait and see, guys.
yeah.
Okay.
That is your side hustle.
Oh, yes, you know.
I know.
Citizen
Yeah,
Ah, ah.
it's your citizen.
Nini?
Into Cloud News. Cloud News. Yeah.
Sasa kitaka kupata vipi picha?
Hiyo picha naipata huko. Yeah, on the other side.
Yeah.
You're so happy for this. Let's see where to go. We just arrived in this area over here, and we keep on making some nice shopping for her, and for also for the Airbnb. Yes.
Unachukua?
Nakushukuru. Uitwa nani wewe?
Nita Omari.
Omari. Oh, Omari. This is your business, right?
Business.
Oh, nice guys. He's Omari, and he's the one of having this business over here, and everything is so nice on the other end. I miss the life of lifts. Hey,
Does he used to it?
I'm used to lifts, so I'm missing this life of lifts every day.
Okay. Now we're here. I know. You used to that in your elevators. I used to see that when you're coming from your hotel rooms.
Ding dong.
Ding dong. Oh my god, my hair is coming off so fast.
Ding dong.
Ah!
Oh.
Seriously?
Okay. Let's see, guys. Wow. Luck.
Bad luck, guys.
We just came.
We came here and it's locked now.
It's locked now, guys. It's closed. It's time. It's time.
It's time.
It's
I think
time.
we need to come earlier.
Where?
Before 5.
Before 5.
Oh,
By the way, 6.
oh, okay. It's 6. It's 2 minutes to 6. Ah. I thought this is not like Nairobi. You can shop anytime.
Now, like maybe they are. It's also Friday for them.
Oh yeah. They're
But
going
every
out.
day they close at this time.
Yeah, 6.
6.
Wow.
Eh,
They don't even have bases.
I'm surprised, guys. We'll be seeing what's going on around. Guys, because it was very hot, and we just decided to come to this area on this other end. But unluckily, to the shop that we were going to do some
Are
little,
closed.
the shops are closed.
Yeah.
But still, we bought what we bought. And are you happy for this?
I'm happy. I'm enjoying actually. It's
Eh.
fun.
Uh-huh.
Walking around when there's no sun is very much fun.
Well. But
Yeah.
now we came very late to the shop.
We came late, so we are now better. We know better now.
But there's something that we're going to do around here also, and we want to
show
see.
them how people.
Yeah, this is so vibrant actually during the evening time in Mombasa compared to during the day.
Yeah.
In the evening time, what causes this?
Well, it's the sun maybe, but of course Kenyans are always working.
And
No,
also, you know, people come from work during this time, others
Yeah.
are going to work, so the commotion is very huge.
Yep.
As you see on the other end, this is the vibrant Mombasa.
Rush hour.
Yeah, it's all like Mwembe Tayari actually, very nice. Actually, this place is one of the places that have one of the historical buildings.
Yeah.
Historical buildings where you tend to see buildings that were built in those areas during the colonial period
Yeah.
in 19 something. So we are here and still we'll be showing you much on this other end. Let's see.
For 600. Let's remember it was 600, right?
The other side was 600.
Yeah. And what's the quality?
Fiber. This has something inside.
It's
They're like
strong. It's hard. Isn't it?
this one is okay.
It's the same. I think
Oh.
it's how much.
let's
First of all, let's check the prices.
The prices really don't marked.
Oh, that one was softer.
This one are very heavy. This one you
It's
sleep
heavy.
today and then tomorrow it's like different.
Your neck is necking.
The neck is it's doing what?
Necking.
Is
I
neck.
think I prefer the other one where we left.
Yeah. These are not too good. Oh, they have mattress covers. Yeah.
Let me sit down.
Oh wow.
I've walked and
I
walked.
think this is best. The mattress covers.
Let's see what's the size. Oh.
Hey, Madam Boss, you are sitting down.
I'm tired.
2,000.
This is the normal price.
3,900.
Can you get another car, whatever?
Huh?
Color?
No,
It's
color
white.
is white.
White.
All of them are white.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, they have different colors, but you can choose. We prefer white.
Prefer white.
Yeah, because white is nice.
White is nice. Like I want to know the size. What's the size? 140
Yeah.
by 190.
This girl, this lady, This Minhawi.
What have I done?
This lady, this Minhawi, guys. She's soft life lady.
No, I'm not soft.
Imagine, guys, we have just been walking a little here.
Yeah.
And look, she's already seated.
No, I said a little. I've really walked.
You have really done what?
Yeah, I've really walked around.
Eh.
And we are trying to get mattress protectors.
Mattress
right?
protectors like this,
Yeah.
because now here the pillows are not okay. We want another quality which is good.
Yeah.
But now she's telling me this quality is not good. So
Like this, like
Her
when
thoughts.
you're buying mattress protectors, like you need to look at it. When you're buying mattress protectors, you need to
guys,
look at
I'm
the
telling you
best
actually what's going on the other side, and we can just tell
the
what's
best
going on
quality.
outside.
And this one here, it will protect you against water. Your mattress getting water, and I think it's a very good quality from Naivas.
If you get what we call, like, if you find a guest who came with the kid, maybe the kid is peeing on the bed.
This will go.
This will go on. So this
okay, let's ask them.
we are really
Hi.
shopping on
How are
for.
you?
This one apparently is for 4 by 6.
4 by 6.
We are
And
shopping
what?
for the business actually.
Okay.
Guys, we are not lucky.
Like we don't.
Our bed is big. It's like 6 by 6, right?
It's a 6 by 6.
But here they only have 4 by.
4 by 6.
Eh.
And the other mattress that we have, the other extra mattress for the business, is 4.5.
It's 4.5, and here they have only 4. So there's nothing matching in here.
Only thing in there, roll
And
up.
the pillows can break your neck.
Eh, the pillows are the one. If you want soft pillows that even when you come, sometimes maybe you can even have a pillow fight with Minhawi around. But
Yeah.
now the pillows are so
They can
heavy.
break your neck if you do a
If
pillow
you do
fight.
pillow fight, we request for a coffin.
As if you're
You
joking,
die.
You are dying. You're dead.
You
You're
be a
dying.
pillowcase, you die. So
Yeah, so-
let's wait and see. Maybe we can go for another place, right?
Hopefully, do you know any other place where we can find
Can you recommend
No,
for us?
time I cannot allow us.
Oh, the time we cannot allow us. Oh, it's almost 6.
Now World Center, I think, will be having. So I don't know
No,
whether
unless we come tomorrow.
Tomorrow
in the World
early?
Center.
Uh-huh.
Before 4.
Before 4.
before 4.
Guys, still, I won't give up. You know, Claude is this guy who's not giving up.
Guys, he's
We are
spoiling
here.
me. He is spoiling
We are
me.
here. We might come.
Yeah, so you are trying.
So you see, it's not me. It's the market that is making you this. Me, if I could tell you, just choose. So you see, I'm not a selfish man.
I know. I understand.
So the market is the one.
That is making it really hard. Yeah, so too
We
bad.
wait and see what's going on around
Yeah.
actually. So guys, let's see what we can pick next. Imagine you are telling her, go to the market, pick what you want. I want this, but the market is disappointing
Neighbors
her.
does not have all this. Can you
Okay.
imagine? The biggest supermarket in Kenya does not have what we need. How sad.
Okay guys, let's see what we can have, and we'll see. Okay, we were maneuvering around here.
So as you maneuver, as you continue.
As we maneuver, she landed in the
We
kitchen.
need an iron box.
Yeah? Oh, an iron box also. Oh, if we need an iron box, then we need an ironing
But
table. It's there. I think we'll have to go for it. What do you think?
Give me your budget.
You want the budget? Okay, we will see the budget. Okay, let's look at the kitchen now. You want, food first, bro. If you don't have food, you can see what's going on around. Oh, okay. Let's see. Can we go with this?
yeah, I think we can go with it. The same one.
Inspired. Hey, yeah.
Yeah.
What is this promo?
Oh.
8,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think? Let's see.
Yeah, we can use this.
You are the lady who can know what's going on
It's good.
around.
We can bake here. We can bake some cake or some bread or some meat. We can buy. It's nice. And
Okay.
it's good for the, like, it's just that small. The space is small where it's supposed to be fitting in.
Okay.
It will be suitable, I think.
It's now or never. So it's you to to choose.
It's now.
It's now or never.
Now.
So you said we go with this.
We go with this.
Okay, let's go for the fridges. We see.
Fridges. Okay.
Let's search it. Oh, you need Samsung. I know.
I'm a Samsung girl.
She's a Samsung girl.
My
so
fridge
I
must be Samsung.
She wants something like Samsung. So
Yeah.
let's see. We see.
Yeah. So
Okay.
we'll take one of these. Honestly, yeah.
Okay, let's see what's going on around.
Now you don't want offers.
We want something that we bargain. We
Sometimes-
bargain. We bargain.
But you cannot. Kenyans, we want to bargain even in supermarkets.
Yeah, in
But
the
I don't
supermarkets.
want this now because it's an offer. But like I want to know what's happening.
No, it's just an offer.
It's just an offer.
From the
Just an
company or
offer.
from
From the
neighbors?
company.
Not
Oh.
neighbors.
From neighbors.
From neighbors.
From neighbors.
Okay. I think
Hey.
we'll get one of these. But now the newest one.
The newest.
Okay, we only have 3.
Uh-huh.
Or 3 remaining.
This one, yeah. This one and that one over there.
Okay.
So I think we can go for the other one. This one's not makaratasi, so we need one with makaratasis.
We did one that are brand.
Already this has gone.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Now you need this one, right?
Now we need this.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I can test it for you.
Please test it for us.
Test it for us, we see. Boss, food first.
When you pay for us, we know now. Now you're going to cook for us.
Of course.
He's cooking supper for us.
Now we see what's going on around. Okay, guys, let's wait. It's only that this is big. This deserves to go to the village now.
Yeah.
I wish I could be near the.
It's for gas only? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh, gas only.
Yeah.
It can't, not electric.
The electric one has to have this bit.
Okay.
Electric?
Yeah, I know.
The electric oven.
Okay.
This one is gas, pure gas.
Okay.
I
Pure.
don't mind for now.
You don't mind?
Yeah.
Okay.
And a gas cooker without the electric one because of the finances right now.
So it's already here.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we surprised. Let's wait and see. We are testing now. Let us test. We see. Eh,
Hadi tuvute gas, tutumie gas hapo chini.
Sorry?
Hadi tuvute gas hiyo kidogo.
Okay.
Okay. Let's wait and see, guys. Eh,
Fanye kazi.
the other one has already lit. You see the flame, guys? There's a frame here.
The flame is flaming.
The flame is flaming, so we can come cook for me. Food. What do you want to cook, boss?
So sasa hii itawaka tu haraka.
Okay.
When you go and connect it.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we can cook from here.
No, from home.
Oh, from. Okay, we cook from home now. Okay, guys.
So how do you carry it?
Guys, my guys, you know, now working with a lady. Let's try see. Actually, I'm looking for something over here. Some people might be surprised. Why Cloud? Why here? And even Ramptons is more okay. This company is actually more okay, but she needs Samsung. Samsung is not in here. Let's see also for the microwaves, for whatever. I'm actually looking for this. Let's wait and see. Actually, we are setting up for the business and for an Airbnb in Bamburi, Mombasa, around here. And we are literally looking and doing some. I took her for shopping. You know, as today it's we say Women's Day, yeah, and we say Happy Women's Day around here, and to each and every person around, to all mamas in the world, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you a million times. So let's see for the also for the iron, and we want to see what's for the list that we want to pick around, and things might be so cool for this, for our Airbnb, and I'm so much happy, and we'll be so much happy on the other end. This is both electric and gas, and also this electric and gas, but we just decided to pick this over here. Hey,
Yay!
Chi baby,
Chi.
how are you?
I'm good.
Chi good.
Chi goody.
Chi everything.
Chi goody.
Chi, eh?
Chi gas
Are you
cooker.
happy now?
I'm happy. At least now, we used to have like the 2 burners. Now at least we have the 4 burners.
Yes.
If you're coming in as a guest, you'll be able to, like, it will be very convenient for you to cook and faster.
Yeah,
for you
actually,
to prepare your food.
Actually, when we started our video, when I started my video, guys, you saw the gas was just on top of the other side, but
Yeah.
now you go see what's going on
We
around.
want to transform. It's a
Hope you are
complete
happy
overhaul.
now. Hope you are happy.
I'm very happy. Thank you.
We just see what's going on around.
Thank you.
Okay. Boss here, Arnold himself, Arnold Bosire. Yeah, what do you think about this area over here? It's like they're throwing their properties or what?
No,
Because
I think they're having an offer. They're understanding the Kenyan pockets right now
Okay.
and the economy.
Uh-huh.
So it's favorable, but then you never know until
we get to the market, we see ourselves. Actually, guys, if you come here when there's no offer, you'll find this also like 20,000.
But this one doesn't. Oh, it doesn't have an offer.
This one, it has an offer. Yeah, this is on offer. Yeah, it's on offer. When you see the yellow one, it's on offer. Like this one is not on offer. Yeah, it's not on offer. So let's
Guys, please subscribe to my channel.
yes.
Uh,
At
at Arnold Bosire, but Claude is really pushing me to
Yeah.
push you guys to subscribe.
Actually, you
So
have to, you have
guys
to.
You better do. But
Yeah.
then I told you he has something to prove to me equally. That doesn't come easily.
Just slowly,
So
slowly.
let me wait and see.
It's slowly. It's on
Yeah,
the road.
I have something to share on my channel. So
Exactly,
get there and
guys.
get to know
Yeah.
what I'm sharing about
For
him,
sure.
what I've noticed about
It's
him.
on hot seat, guys.
Yeah.
You just please.
So don't bribe me.
I want to bribe you by subscribers. It's actually slowly by slowly, you know.
Yeah,
Time
so-
tells us. Yeah, let's see what's going on around.
All
Can
right.
you give me the other things? I think I've added an iron box.
An iron box?
This one, let's
Okay, which one?
Ramptons is better.
No, this one. This one I'll recommend for you. I can't mean that for this.
Acha tafungua. Acha fungue.
I need that Philips. Unajua kale kadogo?
Oh,
Bei
Philips.
yake ni noma lakini
Nimeongopa babe.
yako ni kazuri.
Philips is better. Philips is better or Ramptons. Okay.
I took Ramton.
Rampas pia ni poa.
Yeah, also Ramptons is
Baraka
okay.
kanaishi hata 10 years plus.
Oh, this one can stay even 10 years.
Vile kama Rampas kulipa.
Ni vile mtu amezoea.
Nimewauzia hii, yani niwauzie Ramto msigo. Hata uone kama manzee unapanda ndo nilipe sasa.
Open him.
You need this one? Just pick what you need, what you want.
Yes.
You can pick even the inner, or the
Yeah,
inner
this
one is
one.
better.
The brown one.
Yeah, this one. But it's only that it's it's kinda,
What's the difference?
it's very heavy and durable. Chippy.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
All you want to this, even this is okay.
But this
But
one
it's
will
a
break,
it's
this
a-
one break, but then
It's a matter of something. It's not like scribing every single day.
That's it.
it's 20.
This is 460.
Let's just pick this one.
Okay.
Okay, you take the one that is not open here.
Okay, this one. Take this one. You was the one you're holding.
Okay. So, okay.
Return
return
this.
Goes where?
Where?
And the beneath.
What else?
That's me.
Hey guys, so hey. I'm trying to be a parent.
Today it's like.
I'm trying to
today
be a
what we're
dad.
doing is called massive surprise.
Massive surprise.
Yeah.
I'm trying to be a better dad. Poor dad, rich dad. That's how they say actually. Let's see. Also this one. Hold this for me.
Okay.
No, I don't want you to touch anything.
That is the mop.
No, that's a mopper. That's his idea.
No,
But
no,
kuna zile
I don't want that one.
Which one do you want?
No, I don't want. This is a mopper
Okay.
for mopping.
But your mopper is cracked. I saw it inside there.
Yeah, that's it there. There's a mopper for my sister.
Okay.
I don't have a mopper for myself.
Okay, so we can have one
I
here.
can take a mopper too.
Yeah. This one or this one?
Can I think this
Okay.
is better.
You want, I'm telling you to pick anything you want, you don't want. How do you want me now to help?
Where's the lid?
The lid is
Yeah, that's
You like this?
yeah, that's okay. Yeah. Hi guys. Hi. Finally you're seeing me in Neighbor Supermarket. We came here to buy things for our Airbnb, right?
Big daddy.
Big Daddy. Yeah.
We have
And
a
do we need this?
We have
ya huko juu.
Yeah, I have one up there. We don't need
No.
it.
Better pick this one.
if we die, we die. Let's set business, then we go broke. What is it?
That is a mop.
I think this can be best for the toilets,
No. Toilet why?
for the pads, for the people who will be coming in the
We'll have this one, it should be outside.
or outside.
So yeah.
But this in the bathroom.
That is the
Oh,
bathroom.
but it's okay.
No, I don't think. Because
Okay.
It's a small house.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
You're calling Airbnb small house?
no, like it's not like it's not like a corporate building.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a house where you can just. No, my
Okay.
question is, we took the papers.
Yeah,
These ones,
inside. Okay.
Can they fit in here?
Yeah, they can. You can fix it.
No,
You open
they're
then-
small. They can only fit on the smaller. Yeah. So
But
and then-
also we have this one for small pits. You remember, like in hotels, in hotels we have such kind of this in the toilets, but they are metallic. But it's okay.
Should we take another one instead of this? Can you take this?
This one?
This
No, these are okay because you can dispose something and put on a paper and you go with it. But these are open. Even when the
But you
air.
can check them. Meanwhile, we look for bigger liners.
You
Yeah,
can do
those
what?
big liners. So liners, garbage bags, the bigger ones.
Oh, wow! Come, I show you something. You remember this?
Yeah.
You see in Kenya how much it is.
Yes.
You see the price, the smallest one, this price.
Yeah.
And I bought this one in Malaysia at 1,115 Kenyan shillings.
Very funny.
It's very, very, very funny.
Yeah.
But it's okay, guys. You know, sometimes
So we take
the prices. I think this is better.
It's better.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can set it in the
do it
kitchen.
once
Yes.
and for all.
Once and
Yeah,
for all.
once and for all.
Now my question is the garbage papers.
We look for bigger ones.
What
We
the
can
size
take
for
these
this?
ones.
What the size for this one?
I think just the normal.
250 is on offer.
This is like starting a new life.
How many? 250 to 50. That's 500. What's all this?
Put inside here. This luminac.
We have 3 in the house.
Hey, thank God you have a brother here helping. You know now she's like now her mind is
I'm
up.
helping you guys.
How much?
Because I'm also expecting a surprise.
He's helping us because he's expecting a surprise.
surprise.
Can you imagine?
It's like by the look of things, it's like you're bribing me in a way.
I'm not bribing you in a good way, but you know things. If things are meant to be, they'll be. Hey. let's see what's going on around. Hey guys, hey, around here.
Greta, well, we'll come for them, I think.
We'll come for them. Minhawi, are you okay?
I'm okay, thank
Are
you.
you fine?
Yeah, we need Ziplocs for
What is Ziploc?
storing things in the fridge.
Oh,
We don't have them.
are they here?
They're supposed to be here, but they're
They're not around.
not
Okay, let's see guys what's going on around. Hey, I know we should be doing one next time when we come. We'll be coming for the fridge.
Yeah,
Okay, not for the fridge and for the washing machine.
yes.
All right,
I've shangled it.
let's wait and see what's going on around, guys. Yeah guys, so we just bought these stuffs over here for our newly launched business, our newly launched house over here in Mombasa. So let's see what's going on around. Then how is on the other side. So we are here. So let's see what's going on around, guys, and we wanna see. We are loaded, guys. We're having some other stuffs over here, and we are having a big surprise over here. I know everything is going to be nice on this other end. Let's see. The basement down here, and there are some other stuffs around. Let's just wait and see what's going on around on this other end. Oh, guys, we finally made it home. We just arrived now, and hey, you love that spot.
I love this spot.
My favorite girl.
I
She
love this
loves
spot so
she
much,
loves
so-
this spot.
so
Stand up and
much.
see people you.
Oh.
And people see you and the
People
people
want to
see
see
you.
me.
Yeah. Hey, you look nice.
Yeah, thank you.
It's your Valentine. Hey.
Oh, like I thought you were like.
Hey.
I thought I wanted to be like.
Not
Wait.
that way.
Oh, I was
Sit
that-
down.
Okay, wait.
Let me teach you love. Sit down.
Love.
Yeah, come back.
Okay.
Maybe this will just make you accept me. Hey.
Okay.
Look at your umbrella skirt. Eh?
My
Eh?
umbrella dress.
Guys, what do you think about this? Again,
Okay.
this will make me emotional. I
Why?
want to cry. Yes, I wanna cry.
Don't cry.
Don't worry. Don't sit down.
It's like don't
Why?
cry. Wait. Da-da-da, don't cry by Lucky Dube.
Yeah.
Da-da-da, don't cry.
Don't cry. Okay, guys, we're back home and
Yep.
we're back on this area right here.
Yes.
And as I told you, we are going to change these seats. So we're going to change
They
these
kind
seats.
of have some
We're
darts.
kind of having
see
some
this?
that
They have
you
some-
see some spots. You know, I think kids were pulling you with porridge and
It's
other
not
stuff.
kids. It's this chair that holds a lot of
Dust.
dust for some reason. It just retains dust,
Oh,
and the
okay.
material is bad. I
Okay.
think so. Yeah.
And actually, belongs to Tracy. So
They belong to Tracy Ken, my
Yeah,
sister. Check
yeah,
her out.
yeah,
So these are her things. So I need to take them somewhere so that she can,
yeah,
when she comes back, she can have her things.
her things. So
Yeah.
we are back in our house.
Yeah.
So the thing is, guys, we are now venturing into a new business. And remember, it's what can you say to all mamas in the world?
Oh, it's Mother's Day. Is it Mother's Day or Women's Day?
Women's Day.
Oh, it's Women's Day.
Yeah, Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day, guys. Thank you so much. I got this amazing person here.
And
who
happy
was-
Women's Day. Just come this side. Just come this side. Guys, we are having a big
Happy
surprise here. But
Women's
before we open this big surprise here, feeling
Huh?
emotional, I can cry. You know
Don't
me.
cry.
Honestly, guys, for already.
Don't you cry.
People might do this.
Mhm.
And sometimes a lady still says,
Don't cry.
will you say yes for me?
Yes, for.
Hey Jesus, now listen how
No,
she's
like,
saying
I'm
now
not
yes
getting
for.
it.
But now me I've been now let me
Don't
sit down.
cry. Wait.
I wanna sit
Wait,
down.
it's-
You know,
it's
you every
gradual.
single day you know what. I just say this and you take me on this other end.
I'm not taking anything.
Business.
I'm not-
I'm saying
I'm
you
not
will say
trying-
yes to say business so that you can venture into a new house.
Yes, you're starting this business.
Can we have business kids?
We love business kids.
Ah really? Don't kill me. It's very painful. No.
Are you ticklish?
No,
Can I
listen.
tickle you?
Listen first. Guys, today we went shopping and I wanted to listen. Come on.
No, this guy is very ticklish. I'm finding out right now.
You want to show people my weak points.
Your weak point.
So guys, today we went out. As I told you, we started this video early here, and we got some shocked, and we were shocked sometimes that we went to a big shopping hall, but we found not what we wanted. But from there, God said, let's go to another place, and we found some little things for our house over here.
Yeah.
A girl Toto,
Yes.
are you ready for this?
I'm ready for this.
Okay, you can show
And
people what's going on around.
Thank you so much
Yes.
for doing this. You know, like it really means a lot.
What is
I do
this?
not take you
What
for
is
granted.
inside here?
Here we have.
You know, we're having some people who are
a
just
cooker, you know,
a cook.
a cook.
A
cooker.
cook.
Not a cooker.
A cook.
Yeah, it's a gas cooker.
Yeah, guys, come show me people. Let me show people what we used to have.
Yeah.
Come. Show people, guys, what we used
So
to
we
have.
used to use these two burners.
Yes, two
but
burners.
now we want
And this
to
space
upgrade.
was void.
Yeah, so we want to upgrade. So it's very dangerous to cook from here.
Yeah, because
it
sometimes
can slip.
it can slide this way.
Yeah.
Even me when I saw you
And
cooking
it
here,
can
food.
burn you. So we thought of what else can we do to upgrade? Because I don't want when our guests come here, these topples and they burn themselves.
Oh,
you know,
okay,
they
yeah.
can sue you for that. So we decided to get the 4-burner gas cooker,
yeah.
so that it can stay here, and then the cooking here can be very easy for anyone who wants to cook here.
We can fix
So
it.
that's what we thought.
Yeah.
And we are so grateful
Yeah.
for my sister who put her things here.
Yeah.
But now it's time to take them.
Okay,
You know?
for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
So let's see what's going on around, guys. Now you know when the man is in the house, we have to change. Are you proud of me? I've
I'm
been
super proud of you. You're a very stable man and friend.
stable,
Very stable, mentally, physically. You know?
fit,
Fit.
mentally, physically fit. You know if there's something you. You know me. You know if you tell me sleep down, beat me. Beat me. You know me. Me, you know if you tell me Claude, CJs, lie down, I whip you.
Whipping. When you were in primary school, you remember?
You know me, I respect.
Oh.
You know me, I respect you. When you tell me CJ, come run.
No, I cannot do that.
You whip.
That's that. Now you're like that for me to whip you.
Yeah, whip me.
No.
Whip me so that you
No,
I
never,
can win this.
Ever. No.
Okay.
No.
Okay, guys, let's see. So we bought what and what and what.
We can unbox right here.
Okay, we can do unboxing.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's see. Start with this because this, you know, this is a mop. This is
That is
a.
a mop. Let's start with the others first.
Okay.
That is a mop, and this here is
It's a mopping clean,
it's
a dryer.
It's I don't know how to call it. When you have a bathroom and you've washed and there's water
Just
still
scrub.
remaining, you just push the water with this.
Oh, okay.
I think they know this.
Yeah, they know that.
So let me.
Everybody know it. I know you know it, guys.
Yeah. So this one.
We put it there.
Yeah.
Hey, a girl Toto.
And then we bought like an iron.
An iron box. So if
Iron box.
you'll never see me, you never see Chris on my clothes now.
Yeah.
And also, if you come here on Airbnb, please book with us, guys. There's Minhawi's number down below, and also there's Claude Joseph number down below at the description point. Reach her on Instagram at Minhawi, and
That's
also
true.
on Claude Joseph.
That's true. So we bought these
A steam iron.
steam iron.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
so you
best.
can iron your clothes with this. And you can put water. I don't know how you put water.
Yeah, we open from here.
Okay.
So you add water.
Yeah.
And not just the water.
Yeah.
Distilled water.
Distilled water.
It's the best.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so we
To
have
avoid
this.
to avoid.
So we bought this as well.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah.
Look at it, you see.
What?
Look at it, you see. You bought this as well. Another one.
Are you looking for a thumbnail?
I'm looking for a thumbnail. Better thumbnail. Hey, don't break.
Okay.
Where?
Also, we bought a mug with a glass jar
A glass with its break. It's with its what?
Yeah. With its glasses.
Okay.
A glass jar with its glasses.
Okay.
So this here
Wow.
for juice and water.
For
So when you
juice
blend your
and-
juice,
Uh-huh.
or you want to serve your guests with water, or you want to keep your water, you can keep it in here. You can put it in here.
Okay.
Yeah, fresh water. Yeah. So
Don't cry.
and other glasses.
Oh,
are
guys,
in
we
here.
have they have glasses here.
Yeah, it
6
comes with
pieces.
six. It's
I
a
wish
set
I
of
knew.
6. Yeah,
Yeah, it looks so nice.
looks very nice.
Wow.
So
Guys, amazing. Let us know in the comment section what you think about this. You know, sometimes me in how when I see this, I've never even done. I mean, I'm telling
you
you.
never done what?
You know me, as I told you the other day,
Uh-huh.
things are moving on fine.
I'm fine. Things are fine.
Things are moving on fine.
Way to go.
What is
Okay.
it?
Way to go. Like if things are moving on fine, that's how it should be. Don't fight it. Okay?
Guys.
Yeah.
But still, we are embarking on our journey to Jamaica.
We also
Don't worry,
bought
guys.
plates.
You know.
Plates. This alumina.
Alumina.
The best quality you have in town.
Wow.
White. Me love white. I mix it sometimes, but mostly I prefer white.
I'll grow as you.
Yeah.
You know, you'll be cooking food there.
Yeah.
You said you
Yeah.
never cook for me.
Yeah. And of course we bought our supper. There's kuma wiki as always.
Kenyans with sukuma
Tomatoes
wiki.
and mala, yogurt milk. Yeah. So
Some days I wanna cook for you because you said you never cook
just
for
cook for
me.
me today.
Me, I'm going to eat in the restaurant.
Hey,
Yes.
Omer.
I'm waiting for Bosire. I know that Bosire we can cook together. Okay, come show them on this other side also, guys. We had this on this other end, and yeah, this is what you see on this side. We had a lot of stuffs, but let us know at the comment section what you think about these things.
So we had this. This is for this is like a cleaner.
A cleaner.
It's
So like it's like jig.
Yeah.
Mhm.
For the tiles and the toilets and all that.
Okay.
Of course, we bought some towels. We don't have enough towels, so I bought towels.
This, you know, sometimes yeah, these are good actually.
These are very nice towels.
Yeah, also you can put them on the chairs. When I was in South Africa,
Yeah.
I saw
have
them. They're
this.
putting on chair this way,
Yeah, you can do
and then
this.
yeah.
Let me show you. You can use it as your towel, or you can decide to use it as your.
Okay. Yeah, that way. When I was in South Africa, I saw them using these in Airbnbs.
They're Airbnbs.
Wow.
Very nice. You can have them like this,
Wow, amazing.
especially this. But this here has a texture of a real towel. Can you touch it?
Yeah, it has a texture for real towel.
Like
Very
a
nice.
bath towel.
The
This
fabric
one-
is nice.
Yeah, the fabric is
Cotton,
nice.
100% cotton.
100% cotton, and I think I like it.
Whoa.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know.
Aye.
I just keep them.
They should
And
go.
also bought kitchen towels or napkins, cleaning clothes. When you dry your utensils with this.
Yes.
Yeah, there are 3, a pack of 3, 1, 2, 3.
I just have to be a husband.
And then we bought also face towels.
But why are you rejecting this?
Which ones? I'm not rejecting anything.
But you are the
Have
one.
these and these.
Okay.
Okay, very nice for showering.
Are you
Or
ready
washing
for
this.
something?
Which thing?
There's just one thing.
And this is for my brother. It's a roll-on.
Yeah, he loves that.
He loves this for men,
Okay.
glue for men. And then of course we have down tip swing bin liners.
Yeah,
We
these
need
are used
liner
for
this.
dabbing, for like inside here.
So we have this bin. Yeah, we bought this bin. It's very big.
You can step here,
Yeah.
and then
And
you
wait,
step, you step, it
and
opens
then you
by itself.
put your
Stuffs. You put this inside
inside, and then now you
And
can
then
put
you-
your dust,
yeah.
your waste.
your waist,
Yeah,
but it's going to be outside
it's going to be outside. And then this is
for dirty clothes.
we call it what's the name?
Dumpling bin.
It's not a dumping bin. I forgot it.
Dumping
For
dirty clothes bin.
Yeah, so you can keep your clothes out
Okay.
here.
Aye.
Yeah.
Put this
We
in the
also
kitchen
bought
here.
a mop.
This we started with it.
Yeah.
A mop.
It's very important. to have
Very
this.
nice, yeah.
Yeah.
In
I
every
have
house
this.
we deserve clean.
Yeah.
In every house we deserve cleaning.
It's a every house deserves to be clean.
Absolutely.
Yeah. We also had this. And remember, guys, before we went, chairs. We bought chairs.
We bought chairs, but they will be
Delivered
delivered
on Tuesday.
on Tuesday. Yeah.
Next week.
That will be a very nice surprise for you
Yeah.
guys. Hope you'll be
So,
seeing them and you
yeah.
rate us. You
Yeah.
literally rate us.
So it's been a
Rate-
working day
You
today.
say rate the CJs.
Eh? Read the CJs. Oh, guys.
Maybe it can be a family of CJs.
Read the CJs. Oh, that sounds good.
Read the
That's a very
CJs.
good name.
I saw somebody saying they need small clouds.
You
No, she's saying she doesn't want that, guys. How, where should I find? Me, I don't want to be
don't want
around.
to look anymore.
Me, I'm done. Have you ever seen a bird? Have you ever seen a bird settling in a tree?
This is my wallet.
Why are you assuming that, guys? Don't you
But
see
no,
that?
I'm not assuming.
Have you ever seen a bird settling on a tree that it loves? Me, I've reached.
You've reached.
Yeah, I'm going nowhere. I'm going. Guys, I'm just kidding. You see? Okay. We also bought this for the content creation, like
bulb.
better lightning.
LED bulb. Yeah.
Uh-huh. And also now we are opening the big boss.
Big boss.
Hold from down, baby.
I want
Girl.
to. I want to put this here and
Wow.
this here.
From down. You know, sometimes it can go down
Okay,
like.
I know.
Hey, is there a knife?
Look, this is not a way you can just pull. Oh, you must
Okay,
open.
let's see. Open. You know me. The patience is not with me.
You're not
Uh-huh.
patient enough.
Like things like that, I just to cut them. But this rope will help us some days.
Yeah.
Hey, my ears are blocking. What's the problem?
Your ears are blocking. What's the problem?
I'm talking and the ears are blocking.
Sorry. Are you okay?
Am I not okay? If you keep on cornering, you don't
I'm
want to
not cornering. Yo,
Don't
stop
want-
making people feel bad that I'm
No.
cornering.
don't want to
There's
tell
someone who said if I don't want you, I should give them to you.
Hey, who is that? Come.
They said, if you want it, mean how if you don't want CJ, I am ready, give him to me.
Hey, I also saw.
You saw the comment?
I read another comment saying that. Hey, if only that my daughters were not all married, I could have thrown them to Africa for you. CJ. Come.
You want them?
But now you are cornering. Me, I'm ready.
Okay. Okay, bring them. Let's bring them.
Tell me consistency first. I'll push until to the limit, to the wall.
Until you can't push anymore.
Until I can't push anymore. Let me keep pushing. You will keep saying no. Hey, this is unboxing.
It is called unboxing.
I love your nails are so nice.
Thank you.
Where?
Thank you. A girl Toto, a boy Toto. Okay.
Where?
They really did. They're boxing.
Where? This is unboxing. I need the patience. Now is not with you. Pull it up. Pull it up. Open. Pull this up.
I pull the up.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought I'm going to pull something.
To pull what?
This thing up. Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Now we had this.
So we have this. Because you know we decided to buy this size because that space there limits us.
Okay, let me help you. Help you hold this.
Okay, let me
Let me take it there. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me be gentle for now, so that I can add the CV.
Yes.
Right for her.
Yeah.
Hey.
So you can.
Well, it's so heavy,
It's very heavy.
but I'll have to add CV. I have to use mine.
Don't like. Can it more go a bit slow?
Yeah, relax.
I feel like there's something is going.
Nothing can go.
Can you remove this first? Because it's. I feel like.
Hey, it's okay. That is
Oh.
no. That's the reason why even I go mad sometimes.
Why?
Hey,
Can I help?
there's something here.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it won't fall down. We are here.
Okay, now remove that first. We have to remove this first.
Okay.
I wish you can put this here like this for a second.
You power off this.
Can you put this?
No, just hold it. Alright.
Okay.
You power off.
Just
then
yeah.
you
Just
pass.
unplug it from the other one.
Okay.
It's off.
Let's see, guys.
No, I think yeah. You're right.
You think what?
I was thinking wrong. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Don't even think wrong. You are right.
Yeah.
You are always right.
Always right.
We have to remove this.
So, yeah.
Yes.
Guys, you know me. I like maintaining things. Oh my! It will scratch the other one.
No, the problem we have to cut this because
You don't cut it.
they just did what they call it. Oh my god. Okay, it's coming. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, put this here now.
Mm-hmm.
Ah,
See, guys, me, I like maintaining things clean, like it's new. The only thing is that Mombasa makes metals rust for some reason, but this here is extremely clean. Oh, you
Wow.
see, it has.
okay, I'm
Can you-
struggling.
Can I help you?
No, I'm a man. Come on.
No, men need help too.
But now you're here helping me catching the camera.
Okay.
Yeah. Where?
No way.
It's small.
No, it fits.
It's not fitting well because now these people constructed small.
It can stand. Let's see.
It can't stand.
Can it cook or it will fall?
It can't cook.
Can it fall
Down.
Uh-huh.
No, it
to
cannot.
the front? Are you sure? Okay.
Not fall. We will find something that we will just put it here. But it's very strong. It's very strong. It's only now that they limited the space.
I
They
don't
never mentioned-
understand why. Like
They
it's
limited the
crazy.
space.
They're limiting
If
people.
we bought the bigger one, it couldn't have fit.
Yeah, we could have maybe taken it somewhere else.
Now this is for the gas, but they don't show where.
You can't pass the gas. It's going to very complicated.
No, this one. You know, there's a pipe here for the gas.
But it has not passed through.
We don't know where they put it from.
It has not passed through unless it's from outside.
No, not from outside. It was from in here. It's supposed to be inside.
It's not the same room.
Yes?
It's the same room. They're not locked. So
Mm-hmm.
it's not the imagine. I was so shocked.
We were so shocked.
Yeah.
These people now, but we will just maintain it. We will see how we will use it. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, it is delivered.
And it's already here.
Thank you so much.
Are you happy?
Very happy.
Are you okay?
I don't know what I could have done without you.
Eh,
You're
really?
so supportive, really.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
I'm so supportive. I'm worried. Okay. you
Don't
are.
be worried.
Okay.
CJ is here.
Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
thank you so much. God bless you for
Welcome.
me.
Thank you. Right, guys. Thank
You're
you
amazing,
so much,
amazing,
guys.
amazing.
Be blessed and
Yeah.
kindly subscribe, like, share,
You want
and
a bigger hug?
a bigger hug.
Mhm. A bigger hug? Yeah. This
Maybe
hug, I'm
don't-
hugging
don't-
like a villager. Like I need to upgrade.
You need to upgrade. You know me, I'm tall now. I'm feeling now, hey guys, for the first time now being
You're,
shown
you're
this
shush.
on camera.
I hugged in South Africa. Stop like.
No, first time on
Ah, okay,
camera.
on your
this way
video.
Now. You know me now, guys. I'm
Eh.
killing. I'm killing time for me to understand how
stop,
like.
stop,
come,
stop, stop.
Come.
What now? No, that's
The
enough.
last one.
Okay, like the
For
last,
good.
for good, for goodbye.
For good,
Guys,
for
this is the last one. Oh my
You
god.
don't know the goodness of being
I'm
hugged.
sweating. Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Let's first we finish
Okay,
the
okay.
video.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for being on this YouTube channel.
Mhm.
Kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. And of course, I'm with Bin Howie over here.
Mhm.
Subscribe, guys. Like, share, subscribe to her YouTube channel, and everything will be really nice. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. And as I told you guys, there's a really amazing episode coming out, and please subscribe.
When
Hold
is it?
me.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Hold me tight.
Okay. Oh my
Eh.
god. You.
I'll leave you here and go back in the village.
Okay.
So guys, things will be moving on so nicely. Kindly subscribe. I don't even you feel better how they No, you look where you're going.
I don't want. I was just hugging you for a bit. Now you complicated it.
Okay guys, thank you so much. Be
Thank you,
blessed
guys.
and bye bye guys.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Okay.